హాయ్ హలో నమస్తే, దిస్ ఇస్ సువర్ణ. వెల్కమ్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్. రీసెంట్గా రిలీజ్ అయిన అఖండ మూవీ ఎంత పెద్ద సక్సెస్ అయిందో మనందరికీ తెలుసు. ప్రతి ఒక్క రోల్, ప్రతి ఒక్క పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ అందరితో విజిల్ అయిపించింది. అటు యూఎస్లో ఇటు ఇక్కడ కూడా చాలా కాలం తర్వాత ఇంత బాక్స్ ఆఫీస్ కలెక్షన్స్ వచ్చింది అఖండ ఒకటి. సో బాలకృష్ణ గారి క్యారెక్టర్తో పాటు సినిమా చూసి బయటకు వచ్చిన తర్వాత అందులో చేసిన విలన్ రోల్ అందరికీ గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. రైట్ నౌ నాతో పాటు ఉన్నారు నితిన్ మెహతా. సో మనందరికీ చాలా బాగా కనెక్ట్ అయిపోయారు ఫస్ట్ ఫిలింతోనే. అండ్ ఆయన ఎక్స్ ఆర్మీ ఆఫీసర్, అలాగే మోడల్ కూడా. సో రైట్ నౌ నాతో పాటు ఉన్నారు. ఆయనతో మాట్లాడి మరిన్ని విశేషాలు తెలిసేసుకుందాం. హాయ్ నితిన్ గారు.
హలో.
సో హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
ఐఎమ్ గుడ్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ఎస్, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ బికాస్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ సక్సెస్. సో ఎలా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తున్నారు సక్సెస్ని? ఎలా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తున్నారు?
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. సక్సెస్, ఐ డోంట్ నో సక్సెస్, బట్ it has come up very nicely. The role which Boyapatti sir has given me, and it is all the blessings of God, all the support of Boyapatti sir, Balakrishna sir, producer. I would thank them that they chose me for this role and they believed in me that I would be able to perform this role, and I think people have liked this role. I've got so many messages that they are liking my performance in this movie. Thank you so much. Thank you.
సో నితిన్ మెహతా గారు, ఫస్ట్లీ దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ ఫిల్మ్ ఇన్ తెలుగు ఫిల్మ్ ఇండస్ట్రీ, ఫస్ట్ అఖండ, రైట్? సో ఈ లవ్, అన్కండిషనల్ లవ్, లేదంటే ఆడియన్స్ నుంచి వచ్చిన రెస్పాన్స్ ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది? హౌ యూ ఫెల్ట్?
It is out of the world, overwhelming, because I never in my life thought that I would be getting so much of love from the people, and so much love. I pick up my phone and see so many messages on my social media. Everybody is congratulating me. They are telling me welcome to the Telugu film industry. We're looking forward for more roles. It is, I am thankful. I am so thankful to the people of Telugu speaking people who see this Telugu movies. In fact, all people across India. I've even got messages from Singapore that you have done very good job in this movie. I'm so thankful for them. They've welcomed me with their open hearts, with their open arms. Thank you so much.
ఫస్ట్లీ బాలకృష్ణ గారితో వర్క్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఎట్లా అనిపించింది?
Balakrishna sir, what to say, he is a legend. Working experience with him is out of the world. So जब first time I came to know कि बाला sir के साथ मेरे को काम करना है, so that time only I thought, oh, my first movie, Telugu movie with such a big legend himself. God has given me great. He has blessed me, because working with him is outstanding. People want to work with him, and so big fan following, and such a down to earth person, such a down to earth person, so humble, so helpful, so knowledgeable. It was a blessing to work with him. It never felt like it was my first movie, and he has done more than 100 movies. This was, I think, 106 movie. He never made me feel that it is my first movie with him. In fact, first movie in Telugu industry. At every step he was there. At every step he was helping me.
Yes, coming to Balakrishna garu, is a very legendary actor. So first day, first shoot, how you felt? Because any nervousness or overload happiness, what was the feeling first day?
It was both of it, nervousness and overload happiness. Nervousness because everything was new, and in fact first day shoot was with Bala sir. First day shoot was with him. So as it is, everything was new setup, new language, everything new, and Bala sir. So I was excited plus nervous. I was sweating, my hands were sweating. So I met Bala sir and he made me so comfortable. He knew everything about me, that I was in army, I was doing modeling and then here, and he made me so comfortable that from that very moment it became so easy to work with him. That I never felt that I am a newcomer to this industry. He made me so comfortable. Very comfortable.
So Nitin sir, where are you from?
I'm based in Delhi. Yes, we are basically Punjabis. So based in Delhi, working from there only, and got a chance finally in Telugu industry, and yes, I have lot of connection with.
You have did Bollywood also for the first time in Telugu film industry, and this is coming to Akhanda.
I have done 2 Tamil movies also.
2 Tamil movies
and very small roles, 3-4 days shoot, and Koti Kabba 3 Kannada movie also.
Which hero?
That was Sudeep Kicha.
Sudeep Pichar.
So that was a very small role, 2 days or 3 days role, but I was looking for something big, and then Akhanda happened.
ఓకే సో నితిన్ మెహతా సార్ మాకు మీరు అఖండాలో ఒక విలన్గా కనిపించారు, అందరికీ పవర్ఫుల్ క్యారెక్టర్తో కనిపించారు. కమింగ్ టు యువర్ పర్సనల్ లైఫ్, 21 years మీరు ఆర్మీలో వర్క్ చేశారు, డిడ్ ఇన్ ఆర్మీ, అండ్ 21 years తర్వాత ఒక చిన్న ఇంజూరీ వల్ల మీరు మళ్ళీ మోడలింగ్ ఫీల్డ్కి ఎంటర్ అయ్యారని విన్నాం. సో టెల్ మీ అబౌట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్.
Well, as you said that 21 years in army, then I left army because of my personal injuries and all. Some injuries happened to me on the neck, so I left army, and then I was thinking what to do. I was planning to do something else. In fact, I was planning to do something with the biking because I was into motorcycling. So I've traveled from Delhi to Goa on bike. Then I've done complete Punjab circuit from Delhi, Allahabad, Khajuraho on bikes. So, but somebody spotted me at the airport, and things started happening for modeling. Got into modeling, got photo shoots. Then I got a chance to walk the ramp in Lakme Fashion Week in Mumbai. Then I got a TV commercial with Deepika Padukone for Tanishq.
వాట్ వాస్ ద రీజన్ కమింగ్ టు మోడలింగ్?
It just happened. Somebody just spotted me at the airport, and I thought, okay, let me try. And initially it went very well. People you liked my look and photos were happening. So I thought that leave everything and I'll get into this modeling only. So got into that, and then from there slowly got into TV commercials, and then slowly got into movies. But still I was not getting that major role anywhere. 3 days, 4 days, 3 days, 4 days shoot. But I've done quite a lot of work. But something solid was looking for some opportunity where I can be highlighted as some very bad person on the screen or something, because my looks, people told that you can be a very good villain. But that thing I don't know when it was going to come. So when Boyapati sir called me last year November 2020, and he told me about this character and told me about Balakrishna sir, so that moment, this is the moment I was waiting for. Now I have to work hard for this, and this thing is huge because Bala sir and Boyapati sir combination, I knew that I've seen his legend Simha. This is very big. This is very big opportunity. So I have to prove myself.
నితిన్ సార్, వన్ థింగ్ ఐ విల్ ఆస్క్ యూ, అంటే హూ ఈస్ ద ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ కమింగ్ మూవీస్ అంటే వాట్ యు సే?
Actually, I don't, frankly telling, I don't have any person as an inspiration. My inspiration is to be better than today. So tomorrow I have to be better than today. There is no competition, there is no inspiration for me. My competition, me. My inspiration is me. Everything I have to do myself, because other person can inspire you, but finally you have to do. So if I can inspire myself and do things, I think that is the best thing to do.
Okay, so your father also army officer, right?
Yes.
So after that, this kind of profession you choose it, after that releasing, seeing father movie, which kind of compliments you got it?
Oh, father was amazed, because when I was getting into modeling also, that time he told me that at this age it is difficult for you to do. Well, let me try once. I told him, let me try once. And when this thing happened, and he was still not believing that I've got a huge role. So when he saw the movie on 2nd of December, he was very happy. But like, yes, now finally you have done what you wanted to do. So because still he was not believing. I used to come here for shoots so many days, but still he was like, you have been going for shoots, but I have not seen what you wanted to do. So finally he is happy now that yes, you've got what you want. Feeling very happy and very proud.
ఓకే, సో సినిమా చూసిన తర్వాత నితిన్ గారు, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఆర్ ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్ ఆర్ వెల్ విషెస్ అండ్ ఇండస్ట్రీ పీపుల్స్ అంటే ఇలాంటి కాంప్లిమెంట్స్, మీకు మెమరబుల్ కాంప్లిమెంట్స్ ఇచ్చారు?
Memorable comments are, I think, all the comments which I get on social media, because I never thought so many people are going to like me. Some day is going to come where thousands of people are congratulating me and welcoming me to this Telugu film industry. So I would thank each one of my fans, each one of a person who has congratulated me. They've welcomed me. But I would consider each and every comment or every congratulations or every comment as grateful.
Okay. Before you already done with Bollywood movies also and Tamil also, and right now in Telugu. What was the difference between you change any different industry?
Here, so much of discipline. So much of discipline I see with Boyapati sir, morning to evening. Like it's just like army. You are working in army. Everything is going as per perfect. Everything has to be perfect. Time, punctuality, the shots, what he is required. Everybody is doing their job as it is required. Everybody is running to do that. Every person on the set, what the job is there, he's assigned as he's doing it to his perfection. Everyone on the set is 100% dedicated, 100% hardworking. That is what it's absolutely. That means morning timing is there, so that time shoot will start.
Okay.
Everything is ready.
So Nitin sir, one personal question. సో బాలకృష్ణ గారు అంటే అందరికీ ఆ యాక్టింగ్, ఆ మానరిజం ఒక లెజెండరీ ఈజ్ నన్ అదర్ దెన్ లెజెండరీ యాక్టర్ ఫిక్స్డ్. సో ఇద్దరు 2 ఫ్రేమ్స్లో కనిపించినప్పుడు పోటాపోటీగా వర్క్ చేయాలి కదా మీ క్యారెక్టర్ అండ్ బాలకృష్ణ గారిది. సో ఎప్పుడైనా సరే లొకేషన్స్లో ఎన్ని టేక్స్, హౌ మెనీ టేక్స్ యూ టేక్ ఇన్ ఇట్ యువర్ క్యారెక్టర్?
Takes though I have taken more obviously because but yes, Bala sir, when he is there in front of you, he makes you so comfortable. And with Boyapati sir, because when he is in the director's chair, sit down there, he gets into that character and he explains so wonderfully to you. He's standing there and he's telling so much wonderfully to you that it becomes so easy to act in front of the camera. So with Boyapati sir and Bala sir along standing there, I think that would have not been a better combination guiding me at every step. So it helped me a lot at every stage. They helped me. Yes, I took some time because of some language constraints also. Lip sync is to be there. I tried my best, but some places I'm not able to do that justice. I still know that, but it has been a very good experience, and the kind of help and support I got from Boyapati sir and Bala sir. Without this support, I couldn't have done anything.
What was the experience with Hyderabad city? Are you like it?
Hyderabad city, I have been many times because I was here in Secunderabad when I was in army. Okay. So I have got long association with this place. 94, 95 I was there, then 98, 2000 I was here, then 2004, 2005 I was there. 2016 I left army, I was here. Then again so I've seen this city grow because 94, 95 the city was growing, lot of flyovers were coming. So this is a lovely city, and so this place, high tech city and all this places has come up so wonderfully.
సో అండ్ కమింగ్ టు డైరెక్టర్ బోయపాటి శ్రీను గారు, చాలా కంఫర్టబుల్ ఉండే డైరెక్టర్ అని అందరూ చెప్తుంటారు, ఎవ్రీ యాక్టర్ సేయింగ్ దట్ వర్డ్. సో వాట్ వాస్ ద ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ విత్ బోయపాటి గారు?
Boyapati sir is so much passionate about his work, that you feel that if you are not matching him, you are not doing justice to him. Because he makes it so comfortable, he explains it so easily, he gets into the actor's skin and tells what is required of him. So patient. He'll start morning 6 and it might go till 11, 12, no problem. He is always at his best, and always, well, so I think acting runs in his blood, direction runs in his blood. He is so much passionate. I have never seen a person more passionate than him. Once he starts his work, nothing else. And very comfortable with him, because with the language barrier what I have, language problem, like I don't know Telugu. I had initial some resistance that how will I do, how will director react, but once I started working with him, it was so easy, so comfortable that I never thought that I am in some I'm working in some other language actually.
Okay.
So everything was explained so easily. So
How many days are you working?
it was about 25 to 30 days I worked in this.
25 to 30 days only. Okay.
So it was a lovely experience with him.
ఓకే సో త్రూ అవుట్ అఖండ సీన్ చేసేటప్పుడు చూసుకున్న తర్వాత విచ్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ సీన్ హూ ఇస్ ద ఫేవరెట్ వాట్ వాజ్ ద ఫేవరెట్ సీన్ ఇన్ త్రూ అవుట్ అఖండ విత్ బాలకృష్ణ గారు?
Bala sir, I think I cannot define any particular scene because he any whenever he is on frame,
నెక్స్ట్ ఫైనల్ క్లోజింగ్లో ఆ ఫైట్ ఉంటుంది కదా,
whenever Bala sir is on frame, it is the best moment. There is no doubt about it. So I never found any place in the movie where me and Bala sir are there and I can say, yeah, this scene is very nice. I found every place he is outstanding. There's no comparison. There's no comparison of Bala sir. I cannot compare his scene with his scene only anywhere. His first scene, any scene you take, it is par excellence, par excellence.
టెల్ మీ అబౌట్ త్రూ అవుట్ అఖండ మూవీ టీమ్ వర్క్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్. ఆర్ యూ ఎంజాయ్ ఇట్?
Yes, I loved it. Very comfortable for me. They made me so comfortable that I never felt that I am from north of India. I was looked after as a guest, I believe. and work experience was amazing. They took care of everything because of the language barrier. They took care of everything for me. Work experience wise, Boyapatti sir, if you say Stunt Shiva, DOP sir, Ram Prasad sir, Balakrishna sir, they all helped me. In fact, I would say all the ADs in the team, all the technicians, everybody knew that I did not know the language.
ఎవ్రీబడి ఈజ్ కంఫర్టబుల్.
Everybody helped me so much in this project. I am thankful to every one of them. Everyone.
ఓకే ఫస్ట్ డే ఫస్ట్ రిలీజింగ్ చూసారా మీరు? ఫస్ట్ డే షో చూసారా? ఫస్ట్ షో ఆడియన్స్ మధ్యలో చూసారా?
I saw the first show in Delhi. I was in Delhi that time. I was in Delhi.
వాట్ వాజ్ ద రెస్పాన్స్ ఇన్ ఆడియన్స్?
People recognized me before the start. So they took selfies and all, but that vibe was not there. So I came here Hyderabad to see the vibe. So I saw the movie in AMB cinemas. So tomorrow I am planning to see in some mass theatre. So to actually feel it.
ఓకే సూపర్. సో నెక్స్ట్ కమింగ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ కూడా ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయొచ్చా ఇన్ తెలుగు ఫిల్మ్ ఇండస్ట్రీ?
Telugu only some talks are going on. Let's see if something happens. Everybody will come to know soon.
ఓకే ఎవరైనా తెలుగు ఫిల్మ్ ఇండస్ట్రీ నుంచి కాల్స్ చేశారా, మెసేజ్ చేశారా పీపుల్ మిమ్మల్ని కాంప్లిమెంట్ చేయడానికి?
Yes, it has started coming to me. People have started and people are wanting to meet me also for certain projects. So let's see what happens.
ఓకే త్రూ అవుట్ సినిమా మొత్తంలో మీకు బాగా ఫేవరెట్ సీన్ అంటే ఏం చెప్తారు? అపార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ యూ.
Apart from me, I think when Bala sir is there, it's underwater when he's taking the Trishul. Oh, loved that. Suddenly, straight away comes up. So in total, his avatar, you can see his avatar. Huge. Oh, amazing. That blew off my mind.
ఓకే అండ్ మూవీకి ఇంకా ప్లస్ అంటే మ్యూజిక్ అని చెప్పుకోవాలి. బ్యాక్ డ్రాప్ స్కోర్ కావచ్చు, ఆర్ఆర్ కావచ్చు. మెయిన్గా క్లైమాక్స్ సీన్లో మీరు బాలకృష్ణ గారు స్క్రీన్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు ఆ బ్యాక్ డ్రాప్ ఆ రెస్పాన్స్ అయితే ఆడియన్స్ నుంచి ఎక్కువ రెస్పాన్స్ వచ్చింది. సో మీరు ఎలా ఎంజాయ్ చేశారు? మీకు ఎలా బాగా కనెక్ట్ అయింది మ్యూజిక్?
BGM, music and BGM and all. Oh, it is out of the world. It has taken the movie to a next level now. Because that effect it has given to the movie, it is outstanding. The movie as it is, Boyapatti sir and Bala sir combination is huge, and with that Thamman's music, it has blasted everything now. Amazing. That effects has so much of impact on the scene. Tremendous.
ఓకే టెల్ మీ అబౌట్ వర్క్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ విత్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ కాస్ట్ అండ్ క్రూ అఖండ.
Work experience was nice, very comfortable, very easy. No problems, no tension, nothing on the sets. Everything is going as per the plan. Everything is set, and everybody was making me comfortable. I'll thank everyone. Everybody was making me so comfortable. They knew that I'm from not from Telugu film industry. Always there's some hitch there, but everybody helped me a lot.
ఓకే, అఖండాలో మీది బాలకృష్ణ గారిది కాకుండా ఇంకా ఏ క్యారెక్టర్ మిమ్మల్ని బాగా లైక్ చేసింది, ఏ క్యారెక్టర్ బాగా నచ్చింది మీకు?
I like the Swamiji look was also there. Swamiji look was there, but in fact I liked all the three looks. The young look was also very nice. That also took a lot of time to make, because Boyapati sir, when he wants to decide a costume and a look, he wants to be 100% sure with everything from hair to your shoe, what you're top to bottom. So he has taken so much of pains in each look that it took, I think, many days to finalize that look. I had come here before also to finalize the looks. It took 2 days for Swamiji look only. It took more than 2 days to finalize that look. Other looks to many days it took to finalize that look. And we were he was keep on experimenting in between also the shoots. Okay, if we go for this look or that look or different kind of costume, that kind of costume. So much of hard work and dedication has gone into costumes and minute details. I think I found that all three looks are absolutely amazing, all three different, showing that characters absolutely fitting to that character.
సూపర్. అండ్ నితిన్ మెహతా గారు, ఫైనల్లీ లెట్ స్టార్ట్ విత్ వన్ ర్యాపిడ్ ఫైర్. ఐ విల్ స్టార్ట్.
Okay.
ఎస్, అండ్ కమింగ్ టు ఫస్ట్, టెల్ మీ అబౌట్ బాలకృష్ణ గారు, వన్ వర్డ్.
Legend.
బోయపాటి శ్రీను గారి గురించి వన్ వర్డ్ డెడికేట్ చేయాలంటే విచ్ వర్డ్ యూ డెడికేటెడ్?
One word will be very difficult to describe in one word. Actually, he's a walking cinema.
He's a walking cinema. Yeah.
Absolutely. He thinks, he dreams, he walks, he eats, he drinks.
Whatever, whenever, wherever, everything only for film.
Only for he's totally dedicated. So much of passion is so much of passion in him. Then nothing to beat that.
So one word describe about Akhanda.
Blockbuster.
It's a blockbuster. Okay, yeah. And next, I can say 3 words. First option A, army officer. Option B, modeling. Option 3, actor. So which option you select? And which kind of profession you liked more?
D. All of the above.
Option D లేదు, only option A, option B, option.
Option because I like all three. When I was in army, I loved army. I still love army. When I was doing modeling, I loved that. I am doing acting now. I love this. I live in the present. Whatever it is very good. And whatever I was, that was also very good. So whatever that time it was there, God had given me that. So I loved that, and I still love that. So I would say D, all of the above.
Okay. So one word, tell me about Bollywood industry. What you say?
Bollywood is world known. World known. Every complete world knows about it. Bollywood, it is total masala.
Masala. Okay. And next, coming to Telugu film industry, what was the experience with Telugu film industry? And one word ఏదైనా చెప్పాలంటే what you say?
One word is very dedicated industry. Very dedicated Telugu industry. It was lovely working with here. So much of dedication and discipline I did not find anywhere.
And next, coming to, who is the favorite hero in Telugu film industry?
Balakrishna sir. No doubt about it, sir. New hero, I like Allu Arjun sir. Allu Arjun I like his work. I've seen a lot of movies, dubbed movies. I like his work. Yeah. And Mahesh Babu also. Mahesh Babu also. Pawan Kalyan sir, Pawan Kalyan, Chiranjeevi sir, they are also legends. They are legends. So there's no actually comparison with Bala sir, Chiranjeevi sir, Venki sir and Pawan sir. These four to Nagarjun sir. So they are legends.
Do you see Big Boss?
Yeah, Big Boss Telugu. No, I have not seen Hindi also. That also I have not seen that also.
తెలుగులో హోస్ట్ గా చేస్తున్నారు కదా, అందుకే
I know that Nagarjun sir is hosting Telugu Big Boss.
హోస్టింగ్ ఎలా నాగార్జున సార్ హోస్టింగ్ ఎలా అనిపించింది?
Nagarjun sir is good. I've done one ad with him, Kalyan Jewellers. He was there, so I met him there. I was with Amitabh Bachchan doing his brother's role. So he came there and he liked my beard. So we met for about 1 minute or so before the shot. So very very nice person.
And finally, who is the favorite hero in Bollywood?
His work, Kartik Aryans. I like his work because he's come out with this latest movie. I like that. He's done very good acting in that. I like his work. I liked Boman Irani sir very much.
Okay.
Boman Irani. I'll not name the heroes and all, but what I as an actor I would say I like Boman Irani. He carries all the characters very beautifully, very beautifully.
సూపర్ సో స్వీట్ ఆఫ్ యూ నితిన్ మెహతా గారు, కంగ్రాచ్యులేషన్స్. అండ్ ఇంకా మంచి మంచి ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ చేయాలి, ఫ్యూచర్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్లో కూడా మంచి మంచి సక్సెస్ అవ్వాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా నేను కూడా మా జిఎస్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ నుంచి కోరుకున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ వన్స్ అగైన్ అండ్ హార్ట్లీ కంగ్రాచ్యులేషన్స్ వన్స్ అగైన్.
Thank you so much.
నితిన్ మెహతా సో చాలా ఒక ఉగ్ర రూపంలో చూసుంటారు, బాలకృష్ణ గారితో పోటాపోటీగా యాక్ట్ చేశారు, బట్ రియల్గా చాలా స్వీట్ ఉన్నారు. సో నైస్ డైనమిక్ విలన్ అని చెప్పుకోవచ్చు. సో ఇది వాళ్ళ స్పెషల్ చిట్ చాట్. స్టేట్ ఇంటూ జిఎస్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్స్.
హలో అండి, నేను తరుణ్ భాస్కర్. జిఎస్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్స్కి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. హిట్ ద సబ్స్క్రైబ్ బటన్ నౌ.
Hi, this is Raj Tarun. Please subscribe to GS Entertainment.
Hi, this is Raghu Kunje. Please subscribe GS Entertainments.
హలో అండి, నా పేరు ప్రియా వెట్లమని. ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు జిఎస్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్.
Hi Andy, this is Rahul Vijay. Please do subscribe to GS Entertainments.